from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Barista a Pro Espresso machine. It comes to us and needs with some troubles. It needs a tune-up, replace this gasket and the shower screen, and clean up the whole machine, descale it. While I'm descaling it, I noticed and that's actually the customer I mentioned that the machine it's only hold 5 seconds, whatever, if it's hot water or brewing or even. So when I was trying to do the descaling process, it was stop on 5 seconds. So I repaired the machine. I also replaced I replaced the flow meter. Yeah, this is the flow meter, this one, and the machine now works perfect. So let's go ahead and test the hot water now. It works really perfect, and it's not only just 5 seconds or something. We stop it and go to the setting that used to give us a hard time when we used to do any of these. Here is the descaling. Let's pretend I already did it, but let's pretend like we're doing descaling. Descale. Use only to hold only 5 seconds and then stop. Any of the options was doing the same. So there you go, it's stopped for a bit, but still, and this is the process, this is how it goes, and it can finish until it's out of the descaling. And it's gonna keep going and going. Now it's asking to switch to the hot water. So this is how the process of the descaling. So you only need to switch to the hot water, but it's still holding that. Still, it stops for a bit, then finish by itself. That's it. I don't need to do that again. It's like fresh water now, and so you just stop this and go do some. So let's go ahead and make some espresso shot. It's grinding a bit more than it's supposed to. So it needs a bit calibration with the amount of the grounded coffee. This is all about calibration. Everyone calibrate his machine as he likes for that, even if it's about the single shot or double shots. It's a nice and tasty too. and also I'm using the regular basket. There's another pressurized basket. This one give it to you with more creamer. So I'm using now. So I calibrate it now and put it aside. So all the functions now works, except let me just try test the steamer. It needs a bit. It works perfect too. So all the functions works perfect now.